Hi, I'm Emily from Slime Glitter and Fun. Long time no see.
Show what we just made first.
Oh yes. We made an amazing slime. Almost dropped the glue. That's okay though.
I wish you had smell-a-phone.
I can't. Okay.
It's a beautiful pink.
Oh no. It's dying.
Had some activation.
Activator on my hands.
It's so beauty. It looks like bubblegum taffy.
It does.
It's beautiful. Sounds even better.
Oh, this is my favorite part. So yeah, that was our first thing, and it
That's
turned
our
out
first
like
one.
really well. Oh,
It had lotion and shave cream in it.
yeah.
And it smells amazing. And a tiny bit of food coloring for pink.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, back to the original plan.
Okay.
So we got our glue.
Got our glue.
We got our bowl.
Got our bowl.
We got our wood spoon.
Got our wood spoon.
Okay.
Our activator. Some lotion.
So
some
we're gonna
food coloring.
try something. And we're gonna try and make. It's not a clear slime that's color, but you can still see through it. And
Opaque.
yeah, it's opaque. Okay, we pour our slime.
Is that how much you want to do?
glue
You
into
can
the
do as
slime.
little or as much as you want.
Okay, I'm probably gonna do like that much. Which
Okay,
Is,
a quarter.
um.
How many squirts?
Okay, we're doing the opaque one.
Oh, so you're doing it all
Yeah.
with one
Two.
color through it? Okay, we're going to pause you 1 second. Okay. Now, let's try our color.
Okay, so don't add any activator or any other things in it. So you're just gonna grab your food coloring. I picked blue, and you just swirly.
Perfect. All right.
Now we put this somewhere.
Okay.
That looks really pretty right now. Get out of blues.
That's beauty.
Okay. And
Now you
now
do some activator.
you just pour some activator. I'm using borax and water. Start with that much. Should be okay.
Mixity mixy.
I'll go get my phone.
Okay, so we got that. I'll mix it up. And it looks like we that's not slime. So we gotta add some more. Okay. That for now. Okay. It's getting close. It's like chunking up. And it's gonna be a little bubbly. Because clear slime gets bubbly when you first make it and you haven't activated it. It's almost slime. It's like one step away. One bigger step away.
A little more activator. Here we go. Now let's see. I'll bet you it's going to be ready by this one.
Maybe. I don't know why it's taking so long to activate. Maybe I'm just not adding enough.
Do you want me to stir a minute?
Yeah. Switchities. Oh, that's this way easier. I'm gonna add some more as you mix.
Okay. Oh, just a little more and I think we're going to be good.
Should I add some?
Yeah.
So you can't really see how, like if it's clear or not. I know. So it doesn't have much color.
Is it getting sticky?
Yeah. I think I'm gonna mix with my hands now.
Gonna mix with your hands. I put some on there for your hands.
Okay.
Go for it. Ready. Time for the hand mix.
There you go.
Is it working?
Yeah, it's like really chunky in it. So I gotta mash those up and get them all mixed in. Yeah, so it doesn't stretch very good. I don't know what's going on with it. It feels like there's 1,000 little hairs in it. So it might be a little fail.
Maybe it needed lotion.
Should we add some?
Think you could put some in now?
We could try. Not a lot. There we go.
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah.
Is it better?
A little bit. It's like... Did you hear that? That's just me stretching it. It's not even me squeezing
Wow.
or anything. Yeah, that's how like stringy it is. This one might be a slight fail. It might make good enough slime. I think I'm just gonna keep mixing for a while.
Yeah, keep mushing it.
And we'll come back and like when it's
When
little
it's
better.
done.
Yeah.
Okay, here's after playing with it for 5 minutes.
Yeah, we've been playing with it for a while. And we didn't add more activator, we just added a little bit more lotion.
A little more
And
lotion.
it actually turned out pretty good. I said turned it out.
Turned it
I
out.
don't think that's a word. And like it's just the stretching, but like it doesn't really change the texture of the slime that much.
But it is a pretty color.
It's just the feeling that you get when you stretch it.
Yeah. What do you think?
I love it.
I like
Look
that
how
one.
glossy it is too.
Mm-hmm. Boy, in the beginning, it sure seemed like it was ruined, huh?
Yeah, it seemed like it was going to be a fail. But I think this is He's certified.
It's a certified okay.
It's a certified okay.
It's not our favorite, but it's not our least favorite neither.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I turned it.
It was pretty cool.
You
And
make a
it smells
pretzel.
really good. Make a pretzel 2 times, round and round and down.
Oh no, I ruined it. Alright, now done. Looks like a McDonald's.
It's the M from McDonald's.
Maybe we could try with our poofy one. Well, that's the only slime we're gonna make in this video. We'll probably make more sometime else. But I hope you try this.
It was fun. Yeah.
It was like really fun. I hope you try to make this slime with us. And
Also, try the shave cream one. It was really cool.
Yeah.
We mixed shave cream and lotion.
yeah,
That one was really good.
Yeah, we put shaving cream, lotion, and obviously glue, and some pink food coloring. Well, actually red, but we just didn't put a lot.
We need some glitter.
Yeah.
Nothing's
And-
fun without glitter.
After this clears up, we'll probably give an update. But anyways,
Goodbye.
goodbye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.